Hello everybody, my name is Victor Joseph and today I'll be teaching you one program of data structures which I got it from my university in data structures lab. So let's see what is it about. So it's about implementation of singly linked lists using C++. So let's see the program. So I have used 3 other files and then I made one structure node, also node declaration, and then there's my class declaration and its name is single underscore L list, that is linked list. And then these are my public members, and then I have created these functions. So there's node star create node, and then there's one is for insertion at the beginning, then there's one is for insertion in whichever position you want, and then this one is for insertion at the last, then this one is for deletion, then this one is for sorting, searching, updating, reversing, and then this one is for displaying. So let's see the main function. So I have declared these integer variables, and then there is my object, then I have used one while loop, and then there is my output statement, then operations on singly linked list, so that it will show these things. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, these are the options, so you have to select any one of these, whichever you want, then enter your choice, then I have used one switch case. So there's my case one, so inserting node at the beginning, so sn.insert underscore begin. So there's my class object, and then there's the function which I have made in the class, my class. So if I press this one, then it will go over here, and it will come in here, so it will ask for the value to be inserted, then we have to enter the value. Start node, start m, stop e, then it was to create underscore node value. So where I have used an if else, and then there's a condition, and then at last it will show that element is inserted at the beginning. Then if you press 2, that is the case 2, then it will show inserting node at last, then it will go sn.insert last, that is, it will go over here. So it will ask for the value to be inserted, and the user has to insert the value. Then again I have to use struct, then I have to use while loop. So that's how we do this thing. And then if we press 3, that is the case 3, it will go where that is sn.insert position. So according to we have to enter the value according to the positions. So here it is. So by the way, I forgot to tell you, I have used scope resolution over here. This is my scope resolution. So I have declared these integer variables. This is the output statement that enter the value to be inserted, and then it will ask you that to enter the position at which node to be inserted. So that is at which position you want to insert the value in your linked list. So then I have used one while loop, and then if loop, then if statement, then if else, and then else if, then for loop, and again else. So that's part of this thing. And then if you press so, then it will go in this case, that is the sort linked list. So that's the sorting. So it will go here, so it will sort the linked list. Then I have used one if statement, then while, then for loop, then if statement, again one if statement. Then if you press 5, that is for deletion. So whichever node you want to delete from the linked list, so you can delete from using this case. So for that you have to press 5, then it will go. Yeah, right over here. So then I have declared few integer variables, and then I have used one if statement, then structure, then if else statement, then while loop, then again if else, and one for loop. And then if you press 6, that is updating a new value. So if we go, where that will, if it is null, if there is nothing, then it will say that the list is empty. That is, you have to first you have to put something for updating. So what actually is happening over here is that whatever value you have stored inside the linked list, that is, if you have stored the value as 10, then you can change it to whichever value you want to change. So then it will ask you that enter the node position to be updated. So 0, 1. So over here you have put the value as maybe 1, and over here it is 2. So this position is 0. So you can first you have to type the value as 0. You have to enter the node position and then enter the new value. You can enter whatever value you want to according to you. So if I put like 2, so if I ask for display, then it will be like 2, 2. So that's how we do that thing. So where I have used an if-else statement, then for loop, and one if statement. So at last it will say that node is updated, and then if you press 7, that is searching the element in the linked list. So it will search the element which is present inside the linked list. So it will ask you that enter the value to be searched. So suppose if you have 5 values, if you have inserted 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to search this one, so you have to press 0, because there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this value is 1. So enter the value to be searched. So the value of the zeroth position is 1. So you have to press 1, so it will tell you that it is found at the position 0. Or else, like, you have inserted 5 values, and if you press any other than these, like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in case you put 6, so it will say that not found in the list because it's not present. And then it's quite big. It's a big program. So let's see the 8th case. So this for displaying, it will simply display the elements which you have inserted in your linked list. So let's see how is it done. So I've used one if statement. So star is equal to null, that is, if there is nothing inside the linked list, it will show as the list is empty. And then if there is something inside the list, and if you want to go for displaying your linked list, that is a single linked list, it will show as elements of list are, and it will show your linked list. And then if you press 9, that's the case 9, then what it will do is that whatever elements which are present inside a linked list, it will reverse the linked list. So I've used a struct, and then I've used an if statement, and again an if statement and while loop. So what it does is it will just reverse it. And then 10th case, also exiting, it will just simply exit the program. That's it. And in default, if you press any other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is 1 to 10, that will say as it's a wrong choice. So that's how we do the program. So now let's execute it and see what happens. So operations on singular linked list. So insert node at the beginning, I'll go with that. So insert node at beginning. So it's asking me for inserting node at beginning. So it is asking me to enter the value to be inserted. So let's go with 10. Then I'll go with second option. So that is so insert node at last. So enter the value to be inserted, let it be 20. And then insert node at position. So you can insert the node at whichever position you want to, but there is a constraint that you have to see your first and the last node. So enter choice 3, insert a node at a given position, so let it be 1. So enter the position at which node to be inserted, let it be 1. So it is inserted, so value 1 is inserted at the first position. And fourth is for sorting the linked list, that's sorted, and then delete a particular node. So enter the position of a value to be deleted. So you have to enter the value if you want to delete any of it. So like I have put 1, so it is deleted. And then now let's go for the displaying part. So display linked list, so that I have to press 8. So you can see that the earlier part was deleted. And then update node value, so enter the position to be updated, enter the new value. So it was 10, so let it be 22. So now see what happens. So 20 to 20, you can see that, right? And then reversing the linked list, you can see that it's reversed. And then let's see the search element part. So search element and linked list, enter the value to be searched. So we'll go for the value to be searched, so 22. So you can see element 22 is found at position 2. So now we'll exit the program. So that's how we do this program. And thank you so much for watching my video, guys. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask it out in the comment section, and don't forget to click on the like button. Thank you.